Good morning, it's 9 a.m. in here, and you can see I'm about to go for my daily light run slash walk up and down the hills of Newport, which is, trust me, a really good challenge. But anyway, then I get home and I start my training with my band, which I find it extremely useful for your muscle endurance. And yeah, it's pretty much a really good workout to do, especially pre-classes, because it gets all your upper body in place and engaged, really. But anyway, then after this, I move into my routine on the floor, which is basically a lot of sit-ups, a lot of push-ups, a lot of 360 degrees training, really. Yeah, I also sometimes like to add tools, perhaps like push-up handles or the abdominals rollers or the altitude mask. But anyway, then after I do that, I get into my feet exercises where I try to have a bit of strengthening on my ankles and slash feet. As you can tell, this is quite of an important part of our day, because especially now that we're not working as much, it's really important to keep every part of the body as fit as possible. And yeah, with that said, next I get into a little bit of Relevs again, try to just keep those calves working. And then after this I get into my daily class, which is very nice to do, especially because I'm lucky enough that I live with my partner, which she's a dancer herself, so we get to train together, which is really motivating at days, I'm not gonna hide it. And then that's pretty much it. So I guess my routine goes pretty much from 9 to 12:30 ish, and this is what it looks like. Okay, nothing. So I just hope that it was interesting enough to see what my routine looks like. My exercise routine looks like pretty much every day from 9 to 12:30. And with that said, I'm just gonna leave you with a nice throwback to our Bermudan beaches we got to experience right before this whole coronavirus thing started. So very lucky. Anyway, this is Andrea from Bali Camry. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.